Dull markets are back, but there is some interesting trade. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, October the 19th. And, well, it's been quite the day. I mean, we've been basically higher most of the day. There was a little bit of a rush to the downside, but they have quickly recovered. Okay, in the meantime, this update is brought to you by another one of our brokerage partners. And again, I remind you, as always, I have many brokers, but my preference for equities and options is Tradier brokerage. Look, $10 a month is all I should have to say, but they've got the best customer service. They actually call you back, email you, or answer the phone. And it's not in 5 hours. It's right away. Okay. And it's $10 a month. And we've got their APIs, which allows us to automate your equity portfolio positions if you choose to do so. Okay. At no charge. We don't charge. Tradier doesn't charge. Hedgers must pay for the software because hedging is a class, but it is very reasonable. It'll be less commission than you'll ever pay anywhere else. And their execution is terrific. And they're a great group of people. Check them out. try.tradier.com/Bubba. That's try.tradier.com/Bubba. In the meantime, as I said, right now, and these prices can be much different when you get this, but the Dow up 129, the NASDAQ up 50, the S&P up 22, and the Russell up 18, which is not very strong. Gold is interesting. Okay, 1800, as I said, was a key level. And it basically didn't even take out yesterday's high yet. It got to 1786, now trading down to 1774. We're still long. But again, I don't like the action, but we are long. Okay, and the trend is higher. Silver is popping nicely. It is over 24, and 24 is going to be a key support to keep an eye on. Okay, so, but we're long, and we would be long platinum as well if we'd still traded, and that is up, of course, as well. Okay, and the dollar is lower, and we are long. Bitcoin is up 1,200. Okay, so once again, we're back in the almost 63,000. All right, it's going to make new highs probably this week, maybe today. Okay, and look, the more they try to press against it, the higher it's going to go. Crude oil has been very wild today. It's had a range of almost $2.50. It is lower on the day at the moment. We are still long. Copper, we are long, and it is slightly lower. Natural gas, we are short and it's lower. And again, I'm always nervous about natural gas this time of year because it can go bonkers at any time. You get a cold snap, and there is a shortage anyways. But right now, prices are lower and price will dictate. Okay. The bonds and notes are lower. And of course, we are short both bonds and notes. Remember that is interest rates, and the bond vigilantes are pushing hard to get rates to go higher, which they should. But of course, we know what the stimulus package has done, and that's nothing good for anybody. In the meantime, the grain markets, we are still short corn. We are still short soybeans. They are both slightly higher. We are long wheat, which is higher. Okay. In the protein complex, feeder cattle is higher. We're long. Hogs are lower, we're short. Fat cattle is up, and we're long. Okay. In the softs, cotton is getting hammered again. But again, remember, hammered, it went from 50 cents to $1.16. It's $1.02. We're short cotton. We're long coffee, which is higher. We're short sugar, which is lower. We're short cocoa, which is lower. And we are short OJ, which is up large today. But again, if you listen to my call last night, I said that I'd expect a rally. I didn't know it would be this morning. But you get that big of a sell if you're going to get a rally. So in the meantime, look, it's a market that is very quiet, that is certainly reverse trend, and I did not think this was going to happen. I really thought that 20 to 25% move was going to be down, but right now we're long. So what am I going to tell you? I can't change the positions that I'm in because I'm only going to follow the rules in which I trade. In the meantime, don't forget about other brokerage partner, and that is CTG, Capital Trading Group. And again, I remind you, I do have other brokers, but for commodities and futures, there is nobody like Capital Trading Group. Listen, they trade all my accounts. That's number one. Okay, so that should tell you something. Number two, they've got great service. They answer the phone. They don't have voicemail over there. Okay, number three, They're the only ones that have approved for letter of direction. And number 4, they've got some great managed futures product, including some big hedge products, which are doing very nicely. Check them out. info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, gold and silver for all those you like it. Now, you guys yell at me when I tell you I'm short in the market, but I'm always long physical. And I've got my number 1 choice of dealer, which is Strategic Wealth Preservation. Okay. They do a great job. Delivery or storage. Check them out. It's swpcayman.com/Bubba Trading. That's Sierra Whiskey Papa, Charlie Alpha Yankee, Michael Alpha November.com/Bubba Trading. And farmers, check out Family Farms Group. Look, nobody wants to do the grunt work. We want to go out and farm. We want to go where the money's at, not where the labor has to be done. Check out Family Farms. They're going to help you out. They're great at it. They're great people, and they have your interest at heart, just like I do. Okay. Check them out. It's familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba Trading. That is familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba Trading. And of course, our new advisory role with Chips, Charlie Hotel Papa Zulu. And check them out. It's the new cryptocurrency that's going to be involved in the sporting side, we think, and get some bookmakers involved. But in the meantime, check them out. My Chips, Michael Yankee, Charlie Hotel India Papa Zulu.io. Check them out. And of course, our commodity report written by Andy Hecht. There's nothing like it. If you're a commodities trader and you're not reading this report, shame on you. Go see a doctor because you're giving away money. You can see it at BubbaTrading.com, Technomental. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, okay, baseball today, in case you're interested. We got beat last night. What a bad beat that was. That stumble at the goal line, but hey, it is what it is. That's why they call it gambling. Okay, but we do like the Dodgers and the Red Sox today. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.